Hello and welcome back to How to Fix It. And today we will be replacing the four inline filters of a four-stage water filter. Okay, so first we need to find our water source and close that. And relieve any excess pressure. Now we can start disconnecting both ends of the water filter system. Make sure to have a draining bowl ready. Here you can see what the filter system looks like and the four replacement filters that we will be replacing. And this is just the tool that you use to open the filter. Okay, so I removed all four filters and now it's time to start replacing them. First thing to do is replace the number 4 filter, which is the small inline filter. And at both ends, you will need to use some thread tape, so to make sure there's no leaks. After replacing all the filters, make sure that you have no leaks and just have a water bowl ready just in case. After replacing the filters, you will see that the water is black. You just need to let it run for about 5 minutes for it to clear up. For those of you that are interested, this is what the filters look like when you cut them in half. I would like to thank you for watching and please like and subscribe.